Hi everyone, I am Licinio Batista. I came here. This video is for show you the rotor of my alternator. How I did the rotor, the, the transformation I did in the rotor for to work and self-excited. Now, this one it's one of one rotor of my first alternator, and look this, the power he has. This is the power he have. Is like here it's nothing, and here nothing. The power is only here, and that's why he turn and it's self-excited. That's why he turn and charge the battery very fast. That's why. And this is another. This one, it's the same. It's bigger. It's the same. Nothing. But here he has the power. And this is what I show you, what I'm going to show you in this video, how to do this. And this is I figured out this, and the first I did, it's not so well, but the second it's better, and that's why my performance of my alternator, the performance of my alternator, it's good, and it charged the battery in a few minutes. That's why. And now we are here for this. This is what the secret of my rotor for my alternator. And I make this with this magnet. It's a magnet of the microwave C, 2, and is this one? It's gonna make the force in here they gonna be focused in here, the magnitude, the force of the magnet. Now first we're gonna put this and less 3 millimeters, and all of it, all 3 millimeters in all. We cut and less only 3 millimeters, and this one it's the same. We cut all 3 millimeters. Now what we have here, if you want make this more strong, you can put the neodymium magnets here. I show you the rotor after. Now we have here the North Pole and the South Pole. I have two poles, and we're gonna make first the South Pole. How can we? This is important to make, huh? Now it's important. This is the South Pole. Here we have the North Pole. We make this the North Pole, South Pole, and what we do is put the South Pole here. This the same North Pole, North Pole, South Pole. The South Pole we put here. North, South. Put the South here. North, South. We put South here. North, South. We put South. The last one, North, South. Now we have the South Pole make. What we do, we can put the super glue in here, because if you put the glue, when we're gonna close, is they left the place. They left. They change. That's why you have to put glue, super glue is here. For the fixation of the magnets. Now we're gonna put make the North. This is the North, this is the South. North, South. Huh? No, South. This is the South. This is the North. Well, yeah. That's it. That's it. South, North. We put here the North Pole. South, North. Oh. We put here. South, North. Here. South, North. Here. South, North. Here. And last one, North. Here. And that's it. Now we fix with the super glue all of it, and when we put the glue, on for now we're gonna close up and put, when we close it, we're gonna do like this. You're gonna like this one with resin or epoxy, as you wish. Now this one, as I say, I'm gonna show you like this is how we make the position of magnets, huh? And this one, look closer, it's all, I put all of it, all, it's all cut. And this one, looking here, the magnets of microwave. And if you want if you want it more stronger, you can put these magnets. You can put of neodymium magnets, like I say. And I'm gonna show you. Look, neodymium magnets. This is the south pole. This is the south pole. North, south, north, south, north, south, north, south. That's how I did, and that's how I make this. And the power, it's concentrate here in the middle. Here. Now you don't have too much more power. Why? I'm gonna tell you why. Because the power it's all in here. The power is in here. It's open. It's open. It's not very powerful. But when we close, here, it's not the power, but the power is here. Power is here, and we need the power here, not here and not here, is here. Well, folks, I hope you like it and enjoy the video. If you like the video, sorry for my English. Is not usually. I don't speak the English usual, and this video I make in Portuguese, the first, second in Spanish, this one in English, and the next one I'm gonna make you in French. And the words to came out they came out or in French or in Portuguese. It's confusion, but sorry for my English. I hope you understand. I hope you like it. And this is the rotor of my alternator. The secret is the position and this magnet. The secret is this, those magnets. It's the secret, and the position of it. Don't forget the position. And thank you, and until the next time. Thank you.